Today on The Kitchen, a pink lemonade cake with baker Jocelyn Delk Adams.
Look how cute that is.
Today on The Kitchen.
Welcome back to our summer block party show. Yeah, we've been having so much fun, and we're about to have even more fun because one of our favorite bakers is back. From Grandbaby Cakes, Jocelyn Delk Adams is here. Welcome back.
All right, well, Jocelyn, you're a Chicago girl, right?
I am.
And I know as we Chicagoans, we love a block party, right? It's part of our culture.
We do.
So what do you bring into a block party usually?
Actually, I love a sheet cake, particularly a pink lemonade cake.
Can I guess what we're making then?
I think we're gonna make a pink lemonade cake.
I'm just seeing someone pink around here. You know, call me Columbo. I cracked the
For the
case.
occasion, so.
Awesome. Well, tell us, let's get started here.
Yeah, so we're gonna actually do something that's a little bit different with starting with the cake. You're used to probably blending like the butter and the sugar together in the beginning, creaming that, but we're gonna do a reverse creaming method. So we're gonna start, we're gonna start with the dry ingredients in the bowl. So we've got some sifted cake flour. We're gonna add some sugar in here, and I'm gonna get you started on this mixer here, Jeff, okay? Start pumping that out. I've got some baking powder, and of course you always need a little salt whenever you're making anything sweet. It helps with the flavor.
It's very moist here in the block.
So now we're gonna take some butter too.
Yep.
Because you gotta have some butter, right?
Are we going at a good clip here, or do you want me to bump it up to mediums?
You know what, this is kind of cool. You want it to be kind of low, start adding in the butter, and let that butter start to incorporate with that flour and create some coarse crumbs. You're looking at him making this, not behind the back though. Not behind the, maybe over the head. Okay, almost.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Maybe over the
It's
head
rude to
too.
play
Okay,
with
like
food.
under the shoulder, okay.
I don't know if you can tell, but we thoroughly have a good time when you're here, Jocelyn.
I mean, he's crazy, right? This is looking good.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna start on our wet ingredients.
Okay.
And now I've got some lemonade, because this is pink lemonade cake, and I actually start with the frozen kind from concentrate. You thaw that out, it's so good. It makes the cake so moist, and it also adds that nice tart flavor that we love for lemonade. So I'm gonna mix that right on in with our eggs here, add a little milk, and all of this is room temperature too, and a little vanilla, and a lot of lemon extract, because this is a lemonade cake, so we gotta really bump up that lemon flavor.
Love it.
So I'm gonna start whisking that together, and then I'm gonna have you start mixing this in with the dry ingredients. This is pretty good. That looks really nice to me. You did a really good job. All right, now just start pouring that in.
Call me El Capitan.
Woohoo! Get it popping.
Here we go.
It'd be great for a baby shower for a little girl baby.
It would be so
Or a
fun,
gender
so
reveal
dainty
cake.
cute. Lastly, we're gonna add in some food coloring so we can get this to look super cute and pink. Do it. Ooh. So you can do something hot pink or you can do something softer, it's up to you. Look at that vivid color, that's gonna bake up and look so pretty. So once you're done with that, we're gonna pour it in here. We've got our baking pan here. We've already sprayed it down so it'll come out nice and clean. And don't you smell like that concentrate, that lemonade?
It's very citrusy. All right.
I love it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Watch. If I'd say watch your dress, but it doesn't make like you won't know.
And no one will know. It's pink for a reason, okay?
That's what happens when you have Jeff Morrow do the job.
That is gorgeous.
Perfect every time.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That's right. TV's Jeff Morrow.
I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna have you pop that in the oven.
Okay.
And we're gonna bake that for about 30 minutes at 350. And then we've got our swap here.
Don't drop it, Jeff.
And this one's like a nice, soft, pretty pink. Ooh.
Beautiful.
Reminds me of strawberry shortcake.
Yeah. So it's got like a nice lift, and it. So now we just need some buttercream.
Let's do it.
Yes,
You
we
already
do.
know we need some buttercream.
All right, so we got that. What do we have in there right now?
So right now we've got some butter and we've got some confectioner sugar, and we whip that up and it's nice and smooth. And we're just gonna add in a few more ingredients so it's nice and smooth so we can put that right on top of it.
Okay, so we're gonna use the mixer for this too.
Yes,
as well,
we
right?
are. Quick mix. And this cake really doesn't take that long to do. You can really get this cake in the oven in about 15 minutes.
And I can use this, right? I mean, what am I mixing this with, though? A fresh one. We don't want, we got the eggs in there.
Yeah.
I know, I was just trying to, so many dishes you've caused here so far. I mean,
I expected more from you.
Jeff, you worked pretty hard on on this cake.
I'm
I
sweating.
mean, for real, like this cake is over here with an attitude now with a side eye. Anywho,
All right, so this is.
we got our pink lemonade again.
Love it.
Concentrate going right in there.
What a clever idea to eat lever. Can I guess what this is?
Oh
Lemon
my gosh,
extract.
you know it. That's our 2 major ingredients to give us that nice pucker.
Wow.
And we're gonna mix that up, get that super smooth. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. You wanna make this pink too? What do you?
That's it.
Yeah,
Are we doing more of this?
Yeah, just a tiny bit. We just wanna.
You know, I get excited.
Okay, okay, that's enough.
All right, that's
All
it.
right.
Oh, that's a perfect color.
Isn't that
Jasmine.
perfect? Yeah. So we're just gonna get this right on the cake. You get that nice and mixed up. Oh, that's so pretty.
Now, I'm going to let you do the honors. I'm notorious for terribly frosting. And
Oh my gosh,
cake
are you?
decorations. I
Okay.
want to see a master at work.
Oh, you know what? So I'm gonna just take a spatula and I'm just gonna start adding a little bit right on top.
I say to
Oh yeah.
There is nothing like buttercream.
No.
Oh my gosh,
fresh
right?
buttercream, there's nothing
And then you're
like
gonna
that.
take like an offset spatula and you're just gonna smooth it right on top. And I
Fondant
love this
wishes.
about like sheet cakes. Like they don't have to be so perfect. Do not trip. Just make this look as cute as you can. All right. And then I'll cut out a few because I have a super fun way to decorate this too.
Oh, there's more. We're not just putting the frosting on.
No,
Leave
come
it in.
on, that's too plain. For the block party?
Birthday prepping.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Look how
Look
pretty
at
that is.
That's moist, and I can tell.
Yeah, and then I'll just, yep. There you go.
Plop
Look
it
at
in
you,
there?
plop it. A nice plop. All right.
My mouth is watering.
Okay.
My mouth just did.
Pavlov done kicked in.
So then what I love to do is I stick like a little straw, like half of a straw, like right on the inside.
Like a lemonade.
It looks like lemonade, right? And then I put like a little slice of lemon like right on the side.
That's cute.
We're using paper straws.
Paper straws.
Keeping plastic out
Look
of our
at that. Look
oceans.
how cute that is.
So cute.
And then you just serve this up. You might want to be like, yeah,
Jeff,
it's
more
adorable.
first. No, I can't. No, he's your sous chef.
Here you go. No,
Oh,
I
man.
forgot about Jeff.
Look at that color, though. This is a very fun color. It
Yeah,
really does
isn't
fit
it
with the
so fun?
fun kind of, let's just, just get wild.
Let's just go
block
for
party
it.
vibe.
Let's just go for it.
Going in.
I'll go eat it.
Oh, man.
Nice.
It's so tangy.
Ooh, this
Oh,
is
wow.
It's so
a
tangy.
nice tart. Like it really is like lemonade in a cake.
Wow, that buttercream. I mean, my teeth are
I know, I'm like,
the most great way
whoa,
ever.
I know, I love it.
Jocelyn, you are welcome back anytime. Yes, you are. Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Round of applause. Jocelyn Delk.